How to use Booksy for your business. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Booksy for your business. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Booksy, you could also use my affiliate links below the description where I earn small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. And now just open your browser and kindly go to booksy.com. And if you don't know Booksy, it is a mobile application and web platform designed to help users discover and book appointments with local service providers, in which users can search for various services such as haircuts, massage, facials, and many more, and then schedule appointments directly through the app with a provider of their choice. And Booksy also offers features like online booking, appointment reminders, reviews, and ratings to help users make informed decisions about the services they wish to book. And now before you sign up on this platform, you could also choose the country on the top right corner, in which from here, you can simply choose the region you're into. There's South America, North America, Europe, and different region. Then just click this login or sign up button right here, and upon signing in, you will be directed on this page. And as you can see, I've now signed in. And now to proceed, all you need to do is to scroll down below here, and you have the choices to find a book an appointment or Booksy for your business. But since we're going to use this for my business, I'm going to choose Grow My Business button right here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And to start the free trial, just click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And below, just click Get Started. And just enter here your email address. And after that, just click the Continue button below. Then proceed in here to log in. Just enter your password and just click the Continue button below here to proceed. And then you will be directed in here, in which it will show you to set up your Booksy profile. Just click Start Setup. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, such as about you. Just enter here your business name, your name, and also your phone number. And just click the Continue button below here to proceed. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply set up your password in here. And after that, just click the Continue button below here. And after that, all you need to do is to select what kind of businesses do you have. We have here barbershop, aesthetic medicine, braids and locks, hair removal, hair salon, and many more. So you can simply check all of those services that you provide or businesses. Then just click the Continue button below here to proceed. And from here, just click on the services that you provide. Let's say barbershop. I'm going to select this one, so kindly click in here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which it will ask you where can your clients find you. So just click the Continue button to select, and from here you have the two choices, which is at my place or at the client location. And after that, just click the Continue button to proceed. Then you will be directed on this page right here, in which the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter or fill out your address in here. You can simply enter your address on the search bar, so kind of click on it, and after that, just enter your address. So let's say I'm going to enter here New York, and below the result, just select the specific address that your business into. Then fill out all of this street address, line, zip code, and just proceed by clicking the Continue button below. And after that, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to also pin the location of your business right here. Then just click the Continue button to proceed after pinning your location. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and it will ask you what your team size. After selecting your answer, just click the Continue button. And after that, the next thing that you need to do under your business hours, from here, you can simply customize your business hours that are available or the days that you are open. You could also select here the opening hours and the closing hours. So for instance, my opening hours is from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. You could also add a break if you want to from here, but I'm not going to do that, and just click the Save button to proceed. You could also copy the business hour from your selected days by checking the boxes in here. And after that, just click the Continue button in here to proceed. And upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply add the services that you will provide. We have here male haircut, beard shaping, head shape with its corresponding prices. And if you click on this one, you'll be directed on the service details, and from here you can simply customize or change the prices of each service that you provide. So for instance, for male haircut, I'm going to offer the price of $50. And by clicking the Save button, you will see here that the price has now been changed. And just click the Continue button below here to proceed if you are now done adding or customizing the prices of your service. Then you will be directed on this page, in which it will ask you how do you hope Booksy can help you. So I'm just going to select here more self-book clients but you can select multiple reasons. Then just click the continue button below here to proceed. In which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page in which it will ask you how you previously used other tools to support your business. And after selecting your answer, just click the continue button. Then for the next question right here, add more staff members. So from here, you can simply add the staff member, then just proceed by clicking the continue button below here. And after filling out all of the required information, you will be directed on this page that says that you are now all set. Then just click the continue button below here to proceed. And upon doing so, you will be directed in here. Then just click the skip button on the top right corner if you don't want to import your contacts in here. And now, you will be directed on this page, which is the homepage or dashboard of Booksy.com. And on the left side panel, you could also navigate some of the options. And as you can see, we're currently under this calendar or this appointment options. And from here, you can simply choose the kind of overview that you prefer. We have here day view, week view, month, appointment list, and many more. And to start adding an appointment, just select the date that you prefer on the left side panel right here. And after that, just choose by simply clicking on this day right here and simply choose the time that you're available or you want to set your appointment. Then proceed by clicking your appointment, and after that, it will show you on the right side panel. From here, you can simply choose or fill out all of the details of your client, including the kind of services that they choose or do you want to avail in your shop or business. And after selecting the services, it will show you from here the total amount including the tax that the client need to pay in order to avail the service. Choose the client, just click the select a client right here, and you will be directed on this client search. And from here, you can search the client that will avail this kind of service. But since I don't have any client yet, I'm just going to click the save button in order to proceed. Then just click not now. Then it will show you right here that the client is now walk-in client and the appointment has now been set. And if you click on it, it will show you on the right side panel some of the details of your appointment. And on the left side panel, you could also navigate here the checkout option, in which by clicking on it, you'll be able to see here your new sale transaction and some of your invoices. So basically, you can track here the transaction under the checkout. And also from here, you could use this to process payments for services provided to clients during appointments. While under this clients, from here, you can import your clients' info in here. And aside from that, you could also navigate inventory, marketing, gift cards and bundled, reports, staff management, and resources. And now going back to our appointments option right here, if you want to see the overview of your appointments, you can simply select the specific dates or click in here the week overview, month, appointment list, in which you will be able to see the overview of your appointment. Such as for this appointment list, by simply clicking on it, from here it will show you the appointment date, the value of it, the number of appointments, and number of clients. And you could also see here the waitlist option that show the list of your clients under this waitlist. So that is just basically how you can use Booksy for your business. Thank you.